Okay, this is the test. I apologize if I'm not going to edit this, so it might come out really weird. But anyway, sorry. But I'm going to basically what I'm about to do is I'm going to demonstrate how you can add a person that you want to show the Paycation business into our new Facebook webinar type funnel system. And this is free. It was created by our main upline guy named Todd Dowell, the guy you've seen on all the Ferrari videos, the guy that's making a lot of money with this. And so just yesterday he put this out together, and I saw this go from 20 people to now, if you currently look, it's 337 people. And so basically, here's how it works. You have somebody who you know who's interested or who has shown interest in what we're doing, and you want to show them what we're doing. So basically, first, of course, you have to be friends with them on Facebook. Okay. Once you're friends with them on Facebook, then of course you come to this group, and you have to already be a part of this group. And so if you're not, contact me and I will get you, or contact your upline and they will get you in. Okay. So first you have to be already in the group, and then once you're in the group, then you come here. And over here on the right, you see where it says group info members, and it says add people to group. You click in there and you start typing the name of the person that you want to bring in. Now I'm going to bring in my friend Carl. So there he is. I start typing his first name, and there's Carl. So now I'm going to click his name, and boom, he has been added. So now he's a part of this group, but you're not done yet. Now, you see this first post here? What you got to do here, it's got a video in here, but what you got to do is you got to open the post up. You got to click on the comments here. Okay, that will open the post, and then what I do is I just copy one of the people's. Here's one of my old ones. So I'll just copy my own text, but it doesn't matter. You could probably copy anybody's. Look at what it says, and if it's nice, go ahead and copy it. So then you copy it. You click on the bottom to add a new comment. You type the person's name that you're going to send this to, so that they're tagged. Hit tab. And there you go. Now they're in there. Hit a comma, space, and then paste it. And that's it. Then you hit enter, and that's it. So now what's happened is two things have happened. They've been invited to the group, and they've also been tagged on this post. Now you're gonna probably want to tell them that they should turn off the notifications for this post, because this is going viral, and before they know it, they're going to have hundreds of comments in their Facebook email or in their email, because if they have those emails turned on, that's what's going to happen. So what they should do is scroll up to the top, click on this little drop down arrow, and here it says turn off notifications. Just click on it. So you'll no longer get notifications about this post. And all that means is that when other people start inviting their friends, you're not going to see those messages because they don't want to see it. So now what you need to do is tell them this. Okay, so there's all these steps here. And to be honest, this first step is watch the video now. But unfortunately, this video here, down here, is the same as this video here. So what I do is I just tell them to skip steps 1 and 2, go to step 3, and so they click on this link here, and that takes them to this, which is, there's the video right there that was on
Hello,
the
folks. This is Todd.
okay. They can watch that video, and then once they do that, then they can click gain access to step 2. Okay, and once they do that, they just enter their name. Okay, I'm just gonna make up a name. I'm gonna put my name in here with an email address. And so they'll opt in, hopefully, right? After they watch that first video, and that first video is like 6 minutes long. They click give me access, instant access. Click on the button, and then they get taken to a second
Hello, and welcome to Step.
longer, and it also has the comp plan embedded in there. So it's great because you see Todd talking, the comp plan, and then he finishes it off. And then basically, I like what it says here: the best compensation plan in the history of network marketing. I think it is. I've been in many network marketing companies that I've never seen it not be that. I've never seen one that's great. So once they're done watching this, it says at the bottom, after you watch this video, get back with the person who invited you here, comment below, and join our private Facebook group. So they can comment here if they want. And they've already joined. We've already added them to the private Facebook group, so it's kind of funny that they're saying that when we already did that. But basically, this is for you to introduce them to the program. And you can tell anybody this, anybody. But remember, you got to be friends with them first. Invite them to the group. Tag them on the post. Have them follow the directions. And once they've done watching the 2 videos, have them get back to you, and then you can have them either come talk to me or anybody else on our team. All right. Hopefully, this explains it well. If not, let me know. All right. Talk to you later. Good luck.